Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stability AI, manage. To log into Stability AI, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Stability AI website URL. Once the website loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You'll be directed to a new page prompting you for your credentials. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you prefer staying logged in, you can check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your information. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the section that mentions Image Generation Credits. Click on this section to view your available credits. Here, you can see how many credits you have and their expiration dates. If you wish to purchase more credits, find the purchase options on this page. Select the appropriate package that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is successful, your credits will be updated in your account. Now you can begin generating images using your allocated credits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.